first off, I'd like to thank VacLife for sponsoring this video. They did send me a handheld cordless vacuum like so for this video, and you'll get to see me use it in just a little bit. So let's get started, shall we? It comes in a beautiful box with instructions on it of how to use it, how to care for it, and who to contact in case you have questions on your product. It comes with a crevice tool as well as a little brush extension, a little tiny brush for cleaning it. If you own a dust buster type vacuum, you know how handy this is for cleaning your vacuum and getting into those nooks and crannies, as well as a charging cord and an extra filter so you can wash your filter with each use, which is phenomenal. So I was really excited to get this vacuum in the mail. I've already put it to good use in a project that you're going to see in this video that I'm also extremely excited about.